all from Twins World. I'm Dr. Sindhu Thomas and today we are going to discuss regarding the need of appreciating our child. We are in a world where no one appreciates anyone. In our workplace, people are crave for appreciation. At the most, we can listen parents telling one or two words, or the teachers are appreciating children for scoring good marks or good in academic or extracurricular activities. But being the parent, it will be good if you're valuing the child, because the valuing of the child by the parent has teaching the child to value others. Therefore, we need to learn to appreciate the child even for small efforts what they are taking in life. So we are seeing the different scenarios where we can compliment. One of the thing is the integrity the child is going to show, the character the child is going to show. Understand, we are teaching our children the need of being honest, or we are liking when our child is showing the trustworthiness to me, or when the child is completely trusting and telling me things. So I need to appreciate that. If I can tell my child, and keep you done a good job, I'm happy you're trusting me and telling me the secret. And understand, as a mother or as a father, I'm the most trustworthy person for the particular kid. So make him understand. And when he is showing that character, learn the compliment. Next occasion where we can give the compliment is when the child obey you or showing respect. Don't think that they are very small or miniature thing where you can overrule for them or you can take them for granted. Understand, when your child is respecting you, you need to give them respect back. Then only the child will learn to respect others and child will obey you. So whenever the child is obeying you, respecting your commands, you can appreciate, well done, well done kid, you've done a good job. Next time I expect a better response. This way you are able to compliment so that the child can do a better job. Another occasion we can compliment our child is just being a part of the family. You can say, I'm so happy that I'm a mother of you both. I'm very grateful. So the child also feel happy that the child is being appreciated just because he's a part of my life. Another way we can appreciate is when they be the part of the routine where I am in. So we need to understand that if my child is coming to clean the table, they make it a mess. When I clean any meat or chicken or anything, they will always come and tell me, Mama, I'll help you. I know they are going to make a catastrophe over there. But I need to make sure that my child is a part of my work, so that I also will not be feel bored. And child always say, I help Mama for doing this particular work. Even though it is a little disgusting, make them understand or give them a diary so that they can be a part of your work and later appreciate it. Yeah, thank you, thank you kid for being the part of this work. I expect your help in further days too. You can also compliment the child for the quality of work the child is doing. Today your child is helping you to keep all the utensils from your table to the kitchen. Every day child is doing, we can appreciate, yes, you kept all the plates together and done a good job. So this way, even though the efforts cannot be seen or did not bring a result, we can appreciate because we can understand the efforts or the motor movements the child is having to bring those utensils to the kitchen from the dining table. Another thing, a very important thing we need to understand is, even though the end result is not successful, learn to appreciate, because children in this world are not able to take failure in their life. So if they fail, they think that they are the failure of life. But make them understand that failure is the successful step or a preceding step for success, where the child can make mistakes and grow. So address it, even though you are being a failure or even though you fell bored. You did not climb first place, that's fine. Next you will have a next chance to become the first. We can also compliment our child when they achieve something new. Recently, kid came and told me that he is able to ride the cycle with one hand. Mama, I'm able to ride the cycle with one hand. So for him, it's an achievement. Even if I'm not in a mental frame to appreciate him, I need to learn myself, or I need to teach myself to appreciate and say, wow, what a wonderful job. Kitu, next time you do a better job, but make sure that you do not fall from the cycle. So this way you can appreciate. The next thing we can appreciate is the sense of style. My Keith is always in front of mirror with his new hairstyles and new clothes. Whereas Enoch is not bothered about his style or any kind of fantasies. But understand, I need to appreciate, even though his taste or her taste is not of my taste or my style. Understand the child's personality is different and he's creating something new. He's appreciating looking at the mirror. So you can say that you're looking nice, your shirt is good, or the color combination is very good. This way we can appreciate. Also learn to compliment their friends too. Even though they are very small, they may have all kind of fights, they may have 100 things to speak about their friends. Appreciate their friends too. And these are some of the occasions we need to learn to appreciate our children, because we find it odd to appreciate without a reason, but this appreciation helps them to appreciate even though when they become big. And while you're appreciating, then concising with lesser words, wow, incredible, good job, that's an amazing word, that's cool. We can tell them and guide them a little more elaboratingly. Enoch and Keith, you kept the shoes in such a way so that it's easy for everyone to find out whose shoes it is. Or Papa Mama is so proud that you kept the toys in the place it is supposed to be there. So that's a good work. You need to do it accordingly or do it in a better way. This way, make it a little more projective, whatever appreciation you are doing the child. Before ending your appreciation, always try to hug him and kiss him and cuddle him and tell that I love you, so that I'm expressing to my child that I love the way what he or she is. So it's better training for me to learn to appreciate my child so that I can bring a better human being who can appreciate others even in his or her family life as well as in workplace. Hope the session is good enough and we all learn to be a better parent.